Hello guys, my name is Leonardo Vito from Caloocan City, Philippines, and I'm applying for the position of a tech in Goa Level. I want to share my experience about the tools I've used. Let's start with the tools I've listed where I am comfortable with. I listed Go High Level, Zapier, Twilio, Pipedrive, ClickUp, Airtable, and Brevo. I did not include in the list is the Mailgun because to be honest, it's hard for the clients to verify with them because they requires a legal company documents and not all clients have those documents, and for me as a BA it's hard for me to get those uh, documents because it's very important to clients, and not all clients takes time to verify it with them. So that's why I listed Brevo as a Megan alternative. And why I'd be a great PA? I'm gonna be a great PA because I'm good at building workflow automations, troubleshooting, and I am detail oriented. For example, your email goes to my spam, and there's a lot of potential reasons why it goes to my spam, and that's the reason why I didn't notify to your email, and I can help you to troubleshoot and fix it. And that's all guys, looking forward to work with you. Bye bye.